Hi, this is the session of Financial Accounts Master. So, today we are having a session about Financial Accounts Master, companies and divisions. So, this is the Financial Accounts menu which I opened already. In this menu, we are having Transaction Reports Master setup. So, where we will go to Master, sorry. We will go to Master. In Master, we are going to discuss about Company Master and Division Master. First one is Company Master. What is the company? When for every organization, if we, for any organization, if we are going to do the accounting, for that purpose we have to create one company in accounts. Suppose we are having Shivam is a one company, Shivam Medshop. So if you want to do the accounting in software, so we have to create first have to create one company. So we will create the company. Shivam Medshop 9020. Now description. If you want to give any description about this company, you can mention. If no, then no need, because this is not a mandatory field. Now, next one is the previous companies. Suppose in previous year also you having one company you already created for the Shivam, and you, in case of that, right now if you creating any new company and this company belongs to the previous company, so for only for the linking with this company, current company, with the previous company, we have to map here. So what will happen, suppose we map here the with previous company, so previous year whatever accounting done, based on that, the closing balance of the previous year can be carried forwarded to this company. Previous year having, suppose one company Shivam Medsoft 1819. If we map here Shivam Medsoft 1819, Shivam 1819. So in Shivam 1819 company, whatever after the transaction closing will come, that closing have to carry forward to the next financial year. So in next financial year we created this company. So if we map with this previous company, so for this company whatever in previous company whatever the closing balances are there, we can carry forward to the next financial year company. So in that case, we have to map here the previous company. Next financial year from and to. First is the financial year. So whenever you are going to create, automatically it is checking from which date, in which date you are, and that date belongs to which financial year. So based on that, automatically financial year from date and to date will come. Next one is the status. This is the status of the company. This company is active or inactive. And next is the save. So we have saved Shivam Medsoft 1920. Now next one. Next one is the division master. What is division master? Division master means sub companies, means suppose any organization having multiple branches or multiple locations, and they want to do accounting location wise. In that case, we have to create sub companies accordingly. Suppose we are having Shivam Medsoft, our company. We are having multiple branches. One is in Hyderabad, one is in Kolkata, one is in Delhi. So like that, if we want to do accounting as per that, so we can create accordingly. So we will create here Shivam Delhi. So after this, means we are going to create a separate sub company as a Shivam, which belongs to Delhi. Thereafter here company type is there. Company type will be every time as a company only. Thereafter under company, this Shivam Delhi is a sub company, is belongs to which company. So here we can select the company as we created Shivam Medsoft 9020. So we'll map with this. Here also you can see status is there, active or inactive. Thereafter division code. If you are having any division code for this Shivam Delhi, you can mention here. This is not mandatory. This is optional. Now other details are not mandatory right now. Now I am coming to the location in grid. We are having location. Now as I told, if any company having multiple branches or multiple locations and they want to do the accounting location wise, in that case they have to create subdivisions. If they have only one company, then one time they have to create one division also. If they have multiple, then they have to create multiple sub companies location wise. So this Shivam Delhi belongs to which location of the software? We have to map here. We are having four locations. Now we created this sub company Shivam Delhi. It belongs to Delhi location. So we will map here Delhi. Now what is the impact of this? So whatever the transactions will be done in Delhi location will come in accounts in this sub company. Next one is payment details. This is the payment mode of our software. All the payment modes will come by default. Here we have to map the ledgers. Means suppose in Delhi location we did some OPD billing, which you already know from earlier video. In OPD billing they made any transaction with cash payment mode. So where it has to post. So based on that, suppose we are having cash account, credit card account, check account, debit card account. If you have multiple account and you want that if any transaction done in cash payment mode, it should go in cash ledger. If any transaction have in credit card, it will go to this bank. So here we have to map based on that which transaction I will show you in night audit form later. So this is the mapping which will impact the night audit. Means for the day whatever the revenue happened, in which ledger it has to go. Here we are mapping. So like we having cash. If you map with cash, so in cash payment mode, whatever the transaction happen, it will go in this ledger for that sub company. Same way credit card. If credit card also we want to send any bank, so we have to select bank account. So whatever we will select collect in a credit card mode will go to this ledger, map ledger. So accordingly we have to map here. Now second, card charges. This is not applicable as of now. Last one is the voucher type. This is all the voucher types of our software. This is voucher type means this is the forms actually. This many type of voucher we are having. So here we can put the prefix and we can call this prefix in print. Suppose like you want any prefix for different vouchers. So we can mention here and we can mention the numbers also. Suppose any client started from middle of the financial year and they want to start from a particular number, the voucher numbers. So we can mention here. From that number only the voucher numbering will start in transaction forms. So this is only all about the master about company and sub company.